Questions. Many companies and schools use the TOEIC. It is a widely recognized test that measures your ability to use English in everyday work and academic settings. They use it to see how well you can communicate in English. This is crucial because effective communication is key in both professional and academic environments. If you are looking for a job, a good TOEIC score can help you. It can make your resume stand out and show potential employers that you are proficient in English. It shows employers that you have strong English skills. This can be a deciding factor in getting hired, especially in multinational companies where English is the primary language of communication. Students can also benefit from taking the TOEIC. It not only helps in improving their English skills, but also prepares them for future academic challenges. A good score can help you get into a good school. Many universities and colleges consider TOEIC scores during the admission process. It can also help you get a scholarship. Scholarships often require proof of English proficiency, and a high TOEIC score can be your ticket to financial aid. The TOEIC is important if you want to work or study internationally. It opens doors to global opportunities and helps you connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds. The first part of the TOEIC listening test is photographs. This part has 6 photographs. You will see each photograph for a few seconds. For each photograph, you will hear 4 sentences. Only one sentence correctly describes the photograph. You need to choose the sentence that matches the picture. Tips for success in Part 1. In this section, we will provide you with essential strategies to excel in the photograph section of your exam. Here are some tips to help you do well on the photograph section. These tips are designed to enhance your observation and analytical skills. First, look at the whole picture. It's important to take in the entire scene before focusing on specific details. Don't just focus on one part of the photograph. Each element in the picture can provide valuable context and clues. Try to see everything in the picture. Notice the background, the foreground, and how different elements interact with each other. Listen for key words. Sometimes you need to use your imagination to understand what is happening in the picture. Think about possible scenarios and stories that the image might be depicting. Practice listening. The best way to get better at listening is to practice as much as you can. Engage in various listening activities, such as watching videos, listening to podcasts, or using language learning apps. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your listening abilities. I hope you know now better about part 1. Please like this video to support my work. Don't forget to subscribe to know more about TOEIC test. Thank you all for watching my video.